Hello class, you're welcome to Wanies Academy. In our lesson class today, we'll be looking at the topic algebraic equations and we're focusing on one operation and one unknown letter. And the aim of this lesson is for you to understand steps in solving algebraic equation. And the objective of this lesson is that at the end of this lesson, you'll be able to solve algebraic equation with one unknown letter. Let's now look at how to solve algebraic equation with one unknown letter. Now, one-step linear equation are algebraic equations that require only a single operation that can be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division to solve the unknown letter. And to solve them, you apply the inverse operation to both sides of the equation to isolate the letter and find its value. So we're looking at 4 examples in this topic. We have the first example. Here we have to solve the following equation. We have x minus 23 equals to 8. So what we are asked to do here is to find the value of x. So the first thing I want to do here is to add 23 to both sides of the equation. Then with that, you can use that to isolate the variable, which is x. So adding 23 to both sides, we have x minus 23 plus 23 equals to, we're also adding 8 to the right-hand side of the equation. That's 8 plus 23. Because minus 23 plus 23 is going to give us 0. So we have only x left. Then equals to 8 plus 23. We're going to have that to be 31. So we can have the value of x to be 31. Got example 2. In this question, we have 14 equals to, we have x plus 5. Here we have to solve this equation. So what we want to do here now is to subtract 5 from both sides of the equation. With that, we can have only x to be on one side of the equation. So subtracting 5 from both sides, we have 14 minus 5 equals to, we have x plus 5 minus 5. Because plus 5 minus 5, that's going to give us 0. So we have 14 minus 5. We're going to have this to be 9 equals to x. And of course, we can still rewrite this as saying that x to be equals to 9. So it means that the value of x there is 9. Look at the next example. Question 3. Here we have 8x equals to 64. Because consider have 8x equals to 8 times x. So the operation that we have here is multiplication. So what we're going to do here to find the value of x is to divide both sides of the equation by 8, which is the coefficient of x. So dividing both sides by 8, we have 8x divided by 8, then equals to, we have 64 divide by 8, 8 divided by 8, then have this to be 1, and 64 divided by 8, then have this to be 8. So we have x now to be equals to 8. On to the last question here. Question 4. We have x divided by 4 to be equals to, we have 10. So we are asked to find the value of x. So what we want to do here is to multiply both sides by the denominator of the fraction. So here I want to multiply both sides by 4. Also have here to be equals to 10 times 4. Of course, 4 divided by 4, we're going to have this to be 1. So we have x left alone to be on one side of the equation. then 10 times 4 can have this to be 40. So that'll be all in this class. And if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe now. Thank you and see you in the next class. Bye for now.